right, honey, you ready for the bedroom slide?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, it's cold and breezy this morning, but the good thing is there's no snow on the ground. So it appears that all the snow in Texas stayed north of us because Dallas got pounded with snow, inches and inches of snow. So we are packing up. We've been here for 2 months, but it's time to go. Our straps broke on our bike cover, so Sean likes to put an extra strap around them just to keep it from flapping and getting torn up in the wind. It's a travel day. Been here for 2 months in Texas, visiting our son. Now we are headed out on our way to Tucson, Arizona for the United Rally. Made it to San Antonio, Texas. It's been a minute since we've been here, huh, honey?
Yep.
Stationed at, I was stationed at Lackland Air Force Base, Sean was stationed at Randolph, and then I moved over to Lackland Air Force Base as well. So we were both stationed here.
You moved to Randolph?
I moved to Randolph, yeah.
Where's the Hooters?
It's actually called JBSA, Joint Base San Antonio, Randolph. I'm doing homework and navigating while Sean deals with traffic. Where are we?
Let me see. Oh, Comfort, Texas on I-10.
Texas at the Love's fuel stop. We stopped here to use the bathroom, get fuel, walk the dogs, and we grabbed us a little travel day sandwich for us. And now we are getting back on the road. So far, how have the roads been? They've been great. I mean, it's been a little breezy, but considering the weather that some parts of Texas is getting right now, the roads have been dry and clear the whole way so far. So knock on wood that we can keep going as far as we can tonight. Trying to make it to
maybe Fort Stockton? Maybe Fort Stockton
tonight. Yeah, that'd be great. Then we have less to do the next day. So, okay, more to come. Okay, see you later. Stockton Walmart is a popular place to park for trucks and RVs tonight. On our second travel day, we were able to make it all the way to the Pima County Fairgrounds. We had planned 3 days for travel just in case because of the crazy weather that was happening across Texas and New Mexico. However, the weather wasn't too bad and the roads were decent, so we were able to make it early. And the fairgrounds was nice enough to accommodate us and let us move into our spot as soon as we got there. Taking the pups for a walk this morning at the Pima County Fairgrounds. It's a beautiful sunny day today. Good morning, honey.
Hey.
It was, what was it, like 28 degrees when we woke up this morning?
28, 29.
So,
frosty.
The sun's out now, though, and it feels good. We got all set up and situated, which felt good because the road that we're parking in seems kind of tight, right? So if we were to...
Backing would have been way more difficult the more people get here.
Luckily, we were kind of by ourselves, so it was easy just to back into our spot, but we'll see as it gets more crowded. So, it's Sunday. Bills play today, playoff football. So we're going to watch Josh Allen. Then we're going to relax around the RV, maybe do some exploring of this Tucson area. It's a couple days before the rally, so not a lot of people here.
Not a lot of people here yet.
Yes.
But
it's going to pick up for sure.
We've already seen a lot of the YouTubers that are hosting and a big part of this. They're already here. They're already setting up. So.
I think the Wild Blue Wanderers are across from us. We did see our everyday getaway.
Todd and Sheila.
Switch it up. We're here, obviously. No Sticks, No Bricks is not here yet, but they're right down the road, so we did run into them and say hi. Ran into Jen. So yeah, we're looking forward to meeting everybody. More to come on the United Rally 2025.
Where are we at, Bill?
Pima County Fairgrounds for the First ever United Rally 2025.
Here's a few of the, this is kind of an overflow area. A few rigs. But we're having a pretty good time so far. Met a lot of people.
Our first day at the United Rally, we were able to make some great friends, the Wild Blue Wanderers, Scott and Ashley. It was Ashley's birthday, so we took her out to eat and had a great time. Remember how tight we said that our row was at the Pima County Fairgrounds, and how we were very lucky to be able to back our rig in with nobody else there? Well, here's some sketchy video of a late night arrival backing his fifth wheel into the very narrow spot next to us. We were very impressed and he did a great job. Plus, they were fellow allies and we absolutely loved getting to know them throughout the week.
Here we are, set up at the United Rally.
Different creators this evening. Is that the plan? Okay. Can I open with a little prayer?
Listen, Linda.
I've never played cornhole. I don't
What?
know.
Never?
Somehow we are in charge of it, and none of us know. So lots of Google.
Oh, yeah. YouTube.
YouTube University.
I'm surprised you knew that too.
I love music. I love it.
I'm gonna talk really loud with a little bit of mic. Who can't hear us?
Everybody.
That is your life. I'm that loud.
On the first night of the United Rally, they decided to do an icebreaker, and we ended up playing the largest game of rock, paper, scissors that I have ever seen.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
What do you attribute to all the winning to? A lot of losers? What was the tactic every game you won?
Thinking about the first comment or the second comment that was made way back there.
Do we want to know the comment? Okay. Family show.
I just figured she picked her nose each time and that's what kept her flicking boogers.
No, that's you and me. That's the stuff we would do.
The second icebreaker they did at the United Rally was to get in your geographical location of the state you're from and try to meet up with the states surrounding you. Needless to say, we were the only two people from the state of Wyoming. Sean and I entered the cornhole tournament so that we could have a little bit of fun. We ended up doing pretty well, made it to the final four, and lost, so we got 4th place out of 34 teams.
What do you think, John?
I don't know. What do you think, Sean?
Say hi, Miss Cindy.
Hello, how are you?
Hi, Miss Cindy. Is this life imitating art? Imitating life?
Yes.
How much forward?
What happened, Bill?
We won. No! We lost.
A lot.
Was it fun though?
Oh yeah.
Oh, good deal.
And I
good
think
deal.
Scott's happy that we done it. You want to play again? No.
I just want to play.
I just want to play.
Somebody's going to win. Yeah, I get it, but it's more or less like, let's go drink a couple
Well,
beers.
you know why we lost?
Because there's no beer.
There's no beer. I said I didn't have the aiming fluid. There's no beer.
Our bags are
Aiming fluid.
Did you make the Jello shots?
I did not make the Jello shots, but I will be having some of the Jello shots.
American Jello shots. I know, right? What about our diets tonight? Are we breaking it?
Diet.
There was a keto meal over there. That's what I'm gonna have.
If you brought donations, it's a negative
trade-off.
calorie
Okay,
effect. Yeah.
okay.
Perfect.
That's an old white guy shimmy right there.
Please stand up next to you and defend her still today. Cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA. We all had a great time at the Keeves 5 Adventures Tiki Bar, singing karaoke and enjoying our new friendships.
Hey, it is day 2 here at the United Rally 2025.
No, it's day 3.
Okay, wow,
Thursday,
it's
yeah.
flying by.
Exactly.
But we are at the lunch panel with some of our favorite content creators, and so we're going to see what they have to say.
We were so blessed to be able to meet all these awesome YouTubers at the United Rally, and what was even better is that they were all just as friendly and down to earth as we had hoped.
A ton of your favorite YouTubers here, and we've gotten to meet them all, so it's been a great rally. Hey, we're still here at the United Rally, and literally one of the things that's pretty cool about this spaceship that switch it up.
Wait, first, look behind us. Up. Get all the row of RVs up behind us.
Okay. Yeah, that's party row. That's us. That's where we're having a good time. No, but I'm going to film this spaceship as we walk up to it. They literally have a band on the
top.
roof.
A worship band. We're doing a worship band tonight, so.
But the RV itself is so capable.
But they say that
Todd told me it's rated for like 7,000 pounds
up top.
And at some point he wants to try to land a helicopter on it, which
I can't wait for that.
yeah, it's if you've ever, you know, what anybody knows anything about Todd knows that's going to happen. So anyway, we're just going to kind of walk by here because they're warming up, getting ready and setting up. But this is such an awesome setup. Amazing. Hey, Mags.
She's ready to worship. Oh. She's trying to, you're blocking her view. She's trying to see.
Hey, buddy. He's seen me enough coming by now. He just comes up and gets a pet.
He was like, excuse me, scratch my booty. They had 2 lines.
Tanya, how'd you get in the front of the line?
I got here first. What do you mean?
He's moved ahead.
Hey, it's Little Blue Wonders again.
Packing up and leaving the Pima County Fairgrounds today. The rally ended yesterday, but we checked out this morning and we're getting ready to head out.
We are going to Quartzsite, and we're going to be hanging out with some of the larger channels, some really good friends we made over in the content creator area, getting ready for the Quartzsite RV show in the big tent, and we're kind of looking forward to that too.
Yeah, so we'll be filming our travel day today a little bit just because we're doing a big convoy, and I think it's going to be pretty awesome. So
yeah, our first time traveling in a convoy,
yeah.
So we're all hitched up, radioed up, and ready to go.
All right, see you later.
Okay.